Hello everybody, how you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your TikTok shadow ban. So if your TikTok is shadow banned, then basically your content is not going to be promoted to other viewers, and due to that you're going to get less views. Alright, and TikTok is not going to say you're being shadow banned. They're going to do it. You have to find it out. Like if your video in the past, let's say you have like 100k followers and your video is just getting like 1 views, 2 views, let's say even like 1k views. All right, that doesn't make sense. So that's basically could be the reason like TikTok has shadow banned your content. They are not providing notification to those people who even follow you and other stuff. And the reason behind this is if you're doing some suspicious activity, like TikTok thinks you're breaking the community guideline, or TikTok thinks you're a bot, you're spamming too much like, too much comment, or like too much videos in a single day, or like TikTok might think like you're uploading some things which violate the TikTok's community guideline, you're uploading nude content or like violent content like shooting and other stuff, then TikTok is going to shadow ban your content. Alright, so it depends on what activities you do as well. So make sure to keep mind on your activities as well. And if it is your first shadow ban, then you don't have to do anything. Just wait for 14 days, and after 14 days your shadow ban will be lifted, and you don't try to do the stuff which violates the community guideline of TikTok, and in the future you're not going to face any problems. Alright, just start uploading good content and it'll go like viral, or like most people will watch it again. But if you keep on uploading those content like those things which violate the community guideline of TikTok is again gonna shadow ban you. And the more shadow ban you get, the more the time period extends. First shadow ban is gonna be 14 days, second is gonna be double of that, third is gonna be like 2 months. Just like this, it's gonna keep on increasing. So make sure you're uploading a nice content and your activity on TikTok is not suspicious, you're not spamming anybody or do that thing. All right, and it should be fixed. But let's say we're doing none of that, but you still got shadow banned. What you can do is click on the three line at the top of your screen by coming to profile and go on versus setting and privacy. Over here, scroll all the way down, click on report a problem. And on report a problem over here, what you want to do is wait for some time until it loads up. Once it loads up over here, you can see where it says feed, search, share. Click on it and wait for some time. And over here, click on where it says share, and click on where it says others. And over here, click on where it says need more help. And over here you want to write this: hello, how are you? I haven't been doing anything bad, but still my TikTok account got shadow banned. Can you help me fix it? Click on report at the bottom, and this problem will be reported to TikTok staff. They'll view it, and if you guys haven't done anything suspicious, they'll revoke that shadow ban, and your TikTok account should be good as new. And sometimes due to some bug as well, it's gonna cause this thing. So make sure to delete your TikTok, reinstall it again. Simply deleting and reinstalling your TikTok should fix this problem as well. All right, so yeah, that's how you guys can fix your TikTok shadow ban. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.